Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am really excited because I have another unboxing to do today. Yes, I know, another bag, but this one was totally unexpected. I was not expecting to buy anything, but I ended up finding something or looking at something that made me want to go look for this bag and hunt it down, and I was very fortunate to have found it. So it's in, and if you want to see what I am talking about, just stay tuned. First of all, I want to share with you guys the bag of the day, and it is this cute tiny little pebble leather bag in like a hot fuchsia pink from Michael Kors. This is really cute, you guys. I have my measuring tape here, but I'm not going to measure or give dimensions of this bag. I just want to share with you what I'm carrying today, and I love this cute little bag. It has a crossbody strap that is adjustable, and I have it on the shortest setting because it's crazy long, and it has this little lock, gold lock right here, and then it has the Michael Kors emblem in gold right there with beautiful gold hardware. The strap to the crossbody does come off, and it is hooked up to these gold little hoops right there. It is a really cute baby pink on the inside, and I really liked it with this top because of the hot pink and baby pink on it. And it's a really small bag, but it's really cute, and it fits pretty much all my necessities. It has a beautiful gold brass emblem tag right here that says Michael Kors. Beautiful brass hardware, cute little zipper in the middle, and I always keep my tags here so I'll be able to tell you what it's called. It is called the Adele Messenger, medium messenger. It says medium, but it's really small, you guys. And my mother gave this to me for Christmas, and I think it's absolutely adorable, you guys. I just have a couple of things in here. I have a small wallet that I'm carrying. This is my Dooney & Bourke Florentine leather. And then I just have my sunnies in here. And then I have my cute little notepad because I have been jotting down a whole bunch of things that I have been so busy, and I have been forgetting a lot of things, so I'm just having to write everything down. So I finally started carrying a little notebook with me. And anyway, this is the bag of the day. Now let's get to that unboxing, you guys, because I am ready to see it. So first of all, I want to share with you a little story on how I decided or found out about this bag to begin with, because I hadn't even heard of this bag or even knew that it existed. Of course, I haven't been to a Coach outlet in a very long time because the nearest one is about 3 hours, about three hours and a half away from home. So I haven't been to one in a while, and unless I'm looking online, I don't know what's out there unless I see one of you, showing one of your beautiful bags and I fall in love with it. But this one, if you're familiar with my channel and you know me, a little bit, you know that I work at a restaurant. So we had a customer come in last Friday, and she had this gorgeous bag. I didn't see it at first. We were really busy that afternoon, and I was running around, and then one of the times I remember glancing over at her chair, and she had it hanging there, and all I remember was I saw a beautiful pink, and I saw a beautiful, thick, big, wide, well, it looked kind of wide, about this big, about an inch wide chain strap. And you guys know how crazy I am about chain straps. I absolutely love chain straps, and when I saw it, it's the chain strap, and then it has like leather interwoven in it, kind of like the Chanel straps, but a much wider, kind of like the one on my vintage Chanel tote. So I saw it and I said, oh my gosh, and I was so busy I didn't have time to come and comment about it or ask about it. So anyway, when she was leaving, I went up to her and I said, oh my God, I absolutely love your bag. And she showed it up close and I saw the logo on it and it said Coach. And I'm like, of course I like it. It's Coach, you know? So it was a beautiful pink color and she didn't know the name of it, but she did say that she bought it at the outlet in Castle Rock. Castle Rock is in Colorado and it's right outside of Denver. At that time we were thinking about going to Denver. And so I said, okay, enough said. You don't have to tell me what it's called. I am going to hunt this bag down. That's all you need to tell me. Coach, outlet, that's all I need to know. I got online, I looked for the bag on the Coach outlet site. I found it. So we called, my daughter called, I had her call the Castle Rock outlet near Denver, and she did. And they searched for the bag and they didn't have it. They had one, but it didn't have the chain strap. It had like a small, thinner leather strap. So I said, no, that's not the one I want. So then I said, okay, you know, and my daughter fell in love with the bag as well. So she said, oh my gosh, that is so beautiful. It's so pretty and pink. And so I said, we are going to find this bag. Castle Rock is not the only outlet in the world. We're going to find this bag. So then I remembered the Coach outlet in El Paso, Texas, which is a lot closer to where I live. And we decided to call there. I did want to say, now that I mentioned El Paso, that my heart goes out to each and every one of you in El Paso. I am praying for you. El Paso is my hometown. And, you know, with what happened this weekend was horrible. And it really hurt because it hit really close to home. Like I said, I live 3.5 hours away from there now, but that is my hometown. So, you know, it hurts all the time, but it really hurt this time. I really felt it because my brother lives there. I know my brother frequents that Sam's that is close to that Walmart. So it was really, really, you know, touching, and it really, really scared us. But my family is fine, thank God. But there was a lot of unfortunate people that, you know, that this happened to, and I am very, very saddened by this. And my prayers go out to all of you. If any of you guys are from El Paso, just know that I love you and I'm thinking of you, and I am praying for you and El Paso as a whole. I love you guys, and may God bless you, and people in Ohio as well. That is such a tragedy, and I am so very, very, very saddened by all this. But anyway, I had to say that because, you know, I'm sorry I had to touch such a sad note. But I am from El Paso, and we are talking about El Paso because that's where I found this beautiful bag. I called the outlet in El Paso, which is where we normally go, and I asked the sales associate if she could find this bag, if she had it, and she said, I'm going to go look for it. And I said, if you have to, I'd love to. And she said, is there a particular color you would like? And I said, you know, it doesn't matter. Black, chalk, pink, red, purple, whatever color you have. I just love this bag. And she said, yeah. She goes, let me go look. So she goes back and she comes back and she said, I have one. And I'm like, that is going to be mine. And I said, okay. And I said, what color is it? And she said, it is I think she called it ruby something. And I said, is that red, a cranberry? And she said, no, it's like a pink color. And I said, that is the one that I want, girl. And she's like, okay, great. So she went and said, I'll be right back. Let me get all the information so we can do an phone order, and we will ship it out to you. And I said, great. She comes back and said, actually, I found another bag just like it, but it's the same color. It is also that ruby pink, you know, color. And I said, that's perfect because my daughter wants it too. So she said, okay. So we went ahead and did the transaction, and the bag is here, you guys, or the bags, mine and my daughter's, Chantal. So she's really excited about it, but they both ship together in one box, which is fine. This is the bag that came all the way from El Paso, Texas, from the Coach outlet. And let's get into it, you guys, because here's my killer knife. I need to get me like a better knife, you know, like one of those that is strictly for opening boxes. I like this one. I think this one's kind of like for the envelopes, but I like this one because it works pretty good, and I don't kind of ruin my kitchen knives. But I really need to get like something better. I should have done this part of it already. I don't even know if I'm opening this right, you guys. But anyway, I am thrilled. I am so happy that I found it, because I would have kept looking. And you know that that chalk color would have been beautiful. So would have black. Uh-oh, I think I have it upside down. So we are going to flip it over. Yeah. Always being careful that I don't cut the bag. You don't want to cut the bag, you guys. I really need to be like on a bag ban on Van Island, because I am like getting way too many bags, you guys. Here they are. And these are the bags, you guys. They are wrapped up nicely with a real pretty Coach sticker. And I didn't get a box for these, but I'm okay. I didn't realize you had to ask for, you know, box when you ordered it. I remember I ordered it and I did it PayPal. So a lot of times when you do PayPal, it doesn't give you options as to, you know, do you want it gift wrapped or whatever. And if it did, I just kind of scrolled right through it and didn't even see it. So that's okay. Oh, she's beautiful. And this is the bag that she had, you guys. Oh my goodness. It's a pebble leather. Look at this bag, you guys. Isn't she beautiful? This is the perfect size. And I believe this is called the Mia bag. I already forgot what it's called. Let me see it. I don't see where it says. And I don't see where there is a receipt for it. I don't see that they have enclosed a receipt. But anyway, look at this strap, you guys. Look at this strap. I absolutely love it. As big as it is, you would think that this is very heavy, but it's really not. So it's like a beautiful gold with the pink interwoven into it. The color says pink ruby. And the bag was originally $3.98, and then it says $3.90, $2.99. I ended up paying, I think she said it was $90. This was a clearance bag. That's another thing. The lady that went into the restaurant, she said she had got it on clearance. So when she said, I don't know the name, but I got it at, you know, Castle Rock, and I thought, okay, outlet, Coach, clearance. That's all I need to know. I looked for it, and sure enough, so when I asked the sales associate, how much is it? She said it's on sale, and I think she said it was $70, and then it was like another 20% off or something. I think it was 90% off. I don't know, but it came something like that. It came down to $90, you guys. And I said, I want it, and I want it like, please send it to me. I was so afraid to say, wait, you know, hold on to it and wait till I go up there, because who knows when I'm going to go over there. Not anytime soon. Anyway, it has this beautiful like gold tag right here that says Coach, and it's nicely covered so it doesn't get scratched. I'm obsessed with this chain, you guys. If you know me, you know I love chain straps. They are absolutely beautiful. It's got this beautiful gold tab right here. This beautiful zipper right here. You open up the bag, and here it is. I guess the opening is not very, very big, you guys. I think this is called the small Mia because there's a large and there's a medium, and I think this one's the small, but it's perfect. It is perfect. There's one pocket in here. See that? One pocket right here. And then it has the Coach Creed right there. Beautiful. No pockets on this side. And it's got a beautiful pink, like what is this material called? Just like a cotton fabric, the same color of the bag. If I could get a hold of this bag in chalk, you guys, chalk with this thick gold strap, oh, I would want it immediately, especially for $90, you guys. That is a great price. Beautiful pebbled leather. It is that beautiful bubble gum pink that I am kind of really obsessing over lately. And she's a gorgeous bag. And of course, here's my daughter's, same thing. I'm not gonna open hers up, but it's same thing, wrapped the same way. And I don't see a receipt. Oh, here's my receipt. Here it is. This is gonna tell us how much it was. My sales associate from El Paso, her name is Leslie. Thank you, Leslie. I absolutely love my bag, and I'm so happy you had it. And if you run into a chalk, please save it for me. Call me immediately because I want it. It is the small Mia chain bag, and I got it on sale for $94.32. So that is an amazing deal, you guys. This bag for $90, really? Oh my gosh. I love it, you guys. I absolutely love it. So thank you so much for watching this unboxing, watching this video with me, you guys. I love to do unboxing videos for you guys, and I love to share my bags with you. So if you are interested in this bag, go look for it at your local or nearby Coach outlet, or call around, because I don't know, this is a gorgeous bag. I had never seen it. You might be familiar with it. This might be an older bag. I don't know. I hadn't seen it, but I am so glad she walked in and she had this bag, because I would have never known. I would have never looked for it. And I absolutely love it. I am so glad to add her to my collection. Thank you again for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for joining my family and watching my videos. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. And we will see you again on the next one. Be blessed, be happy, and see you later. Bye-bye.